Gold has seen the support at 1820, and in fact silver has too seen the support at 2080 levels. Precisely these were the levels as I shared. Once it draws below 2120, we can see 2080 levels in silver, and for gold it is below 1830, we can hit 1820. Now what is going to happen today, we will try to see with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. First we'll look into gold. At the end of gold's analysis, I'll give you the trading levels and strategy for the day, and followed with silver. So do watch till the end, do listen to it carefully, and do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Also do not forget to press the bell icon so that you can stay tuned with the latest analysis. The next update on gold will be up before the US cash session. Now let's have a look at the chart for gold. Clearly it is giving you, see, you can see here it is giving you lower highs and also trying to give you lower lows. And yes, again, once you see it trading below 1820, then only go short. At the same time, if you see it trading beyond 1827, we can expect to go long. But what could be the next resistance zone? In between 1832 to 1835 it will get a stronger resistance, and then 1840 levels will come into picture. uh, Hold a bit, let's have a more detailed look into other time frames also. The oscillator, they are trading bearish. Directional movement is bearish and towards the sell side. MACD is also towards the sell side and it is bearish. RSI trading flat. Stochastic showing some up move coming out of the oversold zone. This is just on the hourly charts. Now on the 2 hour charts, see, lower highs, lower lows, failing to go past 1820. These are couple of observations here. Now, support here at 1820 is strong. Why? I will tell you in other time frames. So, if you see it reversing from here, and if you find gold trading above 1828, you can go long. But where is the first resistance? 1832 and then 1835. These two levels you have to watch out for. Any rise beyond this will try to take it towards 1840-42 zone. Probably it may try to hit these levels if it continues to trade above 1820. Now, oscillator bearish, directional movement bearish. MACD is also on the sell side. It is also bearish, but it is trying to converge here. So be watchful. Once it tries to converge, it may give you greener candles. RSI flat. Stochastic is oversold and now looking upwards. So when I say now looking upwards, it may try to create lower highs there and probably try to trade in green here. So this is what it appears on the 2 hour charts. On the 3 hour charts, similarly, you will find it has seen lower lows. See, it is trading at this is also the bottom of the Bollinger Bands and the Donchian channel. So yes, it is giving it a support here at 1820, and with that as support, I have told you several times, 1820 is also a stronger support. Now see also these three candles, diminishing body size, increasing the chances of reversal from here. So diminishing body size, the red candle is diminishing, indicates that the bears are losing the control and now the bulls might pitch in. That is what precisely we can expect. And yes, you can go long at with the stop loss at 1820. One can remain long. How high it can go? The nearest resistance is at around 1832 and then 1835. After that 1840 will come into picture. This zone it has to pass by, and then 1842 43 levels will come into picture. If you look at oscillator bearish, it is trading on the sell side. The directional movement is on the buy side right now. It is trading green and it is trading with little divergence. The MACD on the 3 hour charts has just crossed over. It is divergent and still showing some bearishness. RSI is flat. Stochastic is oversold. Similarly, if you look at the 4 hour charts, on the 4 hour charts, similarly you will find that the candle size is diminishing. Previous candle, hardly any move it is shown, and it was particularly stabilized at the current levels, and now with achieving lower lows, it is trying to rise from here. So yes, if you see it trading above 1828, you can go long for 1830 to 35 zone, and then 1840 42 zone will come into picture. It may try to attempt to achieve these levels today, possibly. The oscillator, they are trading in a sell side. Directional movement is still in the buy zone, but the MACD is wide divergent and bearish, and it is just the third red candle from here. So I'll be watchful. RSI is trading flat. Stochastic is oversold. So once indicators, specifically stochastic, gets oversold, it may try to further the chances of it bouncing back increases. However, it can sustain for a little, but it chances of a bounce back increases. This is what the specialty of the stochastic here. Now look at the daily charts. See, on the daily charts, here it is, lower lows are done. Now see, it is trying to trade in this channel. You can see lower highs and you have seen lower lows there. So any short entry is below 1820. Below 1820, stay short. The first target is 1815, then 1808 and 1800 will come into picture later. Till the time it trades about 1820, we can expect it to hit 1832 zone, which is going to be a good resistance. This should be the first target, and if it trades above 1832, then you can expect that it may try to attempt 1836, which is the next resistance, and then 1842 zone. See, this is the 20 period moving average. So 1840-45 zone, it is going to be a stronger resistance zone for gold to survive today. So be watchful of this. Oscillator trading bearish. Directional movement is on sell side. MACD is also wide divergent and bearish. The RSI trading flat. Stochastic is again looking downwards. And also let's have a look at the weekly charts. Today is the last day of the week, and you can find gold. See, it is trying to give you a sharper drop possibly, because see, the candle is yet in formation. One probability that it may try to close in a doji here, indicating higher lows, lower highs, and possibly closing somewhere here at around 1840 levels. This is one probability. And if it breaks below 1820, you can expect further sharper drop, which may try to bring it below 1800 levels. So one thing is clear today: do not stay long once it trades below 1820 levels. Below 1820, first target 1815, then 1808, 1800, and in fact it can drop below those levels. So stay short below 1820. The stop loss should be at around 1832 levels. And yes, till the time it trades above 1820, you can go long at 1828. The first target is 1832, then 1836, and then 1840. But please trade with stop loss, and please always shift your stop loss to cost. So this is all for gold. And yes, 1840-45 zone is again a very strong resistance for gold. Be watchful of this. Now let's have a look at silver. Silver on the hourly charts has achieved 2080, very strong support zone which it has achieved. Also, as I shared, below 2120 yesterday, 2120 is a strong bearish zone. So once it trades below 2120, we can expect it to drop. That was the comment yesterday, to 2080. Precisely it has achieved. Now it is trying to stabilize. Also, this is also the bottom of the Bollinger Bands for the day. I will be watchful here. And 2105 to 105 is also one level you have to watch out for. Oscillator there trading in the sell side, but trying to converge from here. Directional movement is bearish. See the divergence here, it is widely bearish here. The MACD is trying to converge and cross over for a bullish entry. RSI looking upwards, stochastic looking upwards here. Now look at the 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour charts, the probability that it may end up closing towards 2090 levels or 2095 levels. So what it is done, it has formed the top there. It will close in red here, and then again the next candle, it will close in doji, and then the again next candle will try to trade in a bearish note, and then 2080 will get achieved. This is what it appears. But any move beyond 2105, specifically I will recommend you to stay long about 2110 only. Beyond that, we can again expect 2120, 2130 levels. The oscillator here has seen the highs there on the 2-hour charts. It appears, and probably from here it must start converging, and hence a bullish move can be expected. So this is one indication. Second, the directional movement is wide and divergent and bearish. It may start to converge. The MACD is also starting to converge. It is flattened there. So probably it may converge and cross over for a bullish move. The RSI too is trading near bottom. Stochastic is oversold here, and hence a bounce back can be expected here. Now look at the 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour charts, the support from the bottom of the channel and the Bollinger Bands here is strong, and see, it tried to move out of it. It has achieved lower lows and again pulled back in. Now I will be watchful where this candle closes. Yes, above 2110 you must not stay short. Above 2110 you can go long for 2120, 2130, 40 levels. 2140 is the next strong resistance zone. The oscillator there trading bearish. The directional movement is also extremely divergent and bearish. The MACD is also divergent and bearish. The RSI near to bottom and stochastic oversold, indicating a little bounce back. See, all the indicators are bearish and either are oversold. Hence, a bounce back in near past future can be expected, but how far it can drop before? Let's have a look on the 4-hour charts. So similar is the observation. Traded outside the Bollinger Bands and the downtrend channel, it is bound to rise. If it trades above 2110, then only I will recommend you to go long. Till the time it is below 2110, I will not recommend you to take a long entry. But soon we may see it trading above, and once it trades below 2110, the target next is 2120, 2130, 2140. Now 2140, as I have always maintained in my multiple analysis in either daily or weekly, 2140 is the next resistance zone. Be watchful of, which was a support there, now it is going to be the resistance. Oscillator there trading bearish. Directional movement is wide divergent and bearish. MACD is also divergent and bearish. RSI near to bottom. Stochastic looking downwards here. Coming towards the daily charts. On the daily charts, see, it has seen a good fall here. Also, if you look at, it has formed the or achieved the lower lows. It has achieved the lower lows. Also, it tried to push below the Bollinger Bands. Failing to do so, the channel and the bottom of the Bollinger Bands is giving it a support here, and it is trying to pull back. Hence, probably it may try to reverse. If it trades about 2110, one can expect 2120, 2130 and 40 levels. But largely it may swing in between. See, my target was 2080. It has precisely achieved 2080 levels. The awesome oscillator is trading bearish. The directional movement is on sell side. Also look at the MACD. This is thus the second red candle after the crossover, and it is divergent. RSI trading flat, stochastic oversold. Considering this, I will recommend you to go long only about 2110. Then the target is 2120, 2130 and 2140 levels. 2140 is going to be very strong resistance for silver. Till the time it trades below 2110, rather I will say, you can go short at 2090 levels. 2080 is very strong support, similar to what we have seen at 2140 and 2120. So below 2190 you can expect 2090, you can expect 2080. Below 2080, I look forward to 2060 and 2040 levels. So take your trades accordingly, take your positions accordingly, and trade accordingly. Always trade with a stop loss, always trade with a trailing stop loss. And yes, if you want to gain the same expertise, join my mentorship batch or join my VIP signals group. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram ID and email ID are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.